In this video I will show you how to repair a Panasonic TX-L55ET60E TV. With a backlight problem, steps on how to disassemble the TV and replace it with a new one. With this TV, the problem is that it starts for a few seconds and then the picture goes black. The TV goes into power protection mode and starts blinking red before it enters this mode. A slight dark stripe is noticeable in the lighting of the picture on one side. This model of Panasonic TV uses a backlight with an LED strip on one side of the TV. It is a good idea to get the strip in advance before disassembling the TV. To replace the backlight, the TV must be completely disassembled. Start by opening the back cover. Now we remove the frames and release the display driver boards. Now we need to unscrew and release the metal frame. Now carefully secure the driver boards on the screen and lift the screen. We remove the second frame and all the layers until we reach the sheet metal back and the backlight. Here's where the LED strip is. We unscrew the cooling plate and simply replace it with the new one. Be careful when disconnecting the ribbon cable. You can do a check before reassembling. If you start the TV, the strip will light up. And you can see both where the old one broke and how the new one works to see if everything is okay. To reassemble the TV, here it is clearly visible that the old backlight was broken in one sector. And the LEDs did not light up, so there was a dark bar in the TV picture and subsequently it started to enter protection mode. Once you have checked and see that everything is working, simply reassemble the TV following the same steps.
Мислиш, че познаваш града си, но си видял само повърхността.
Мащабът на това нещо е огромен.
Дали Бърлингтън е служил на някакъв